And parents are getting ready to send their kids back to school, but there's also a lot of concern over the spread of the Omicron variant. ABC's Karina Mitchell is tracking all of this from New York. Everything from the warning from doctors to some good news we're getting about the variant overseas.
As people return from the holiday break, concerns about a rise in COVID cases following New Year's Eve gatherings across the country. The U.S. passing 2.2 million cases in the last week, driven by the Omicron variant. In New York State, more than 85,000 new cases, a single-day record to start the new year. Nearly 100,000 Americans hospitalized with COVID, with pediatric hospitalizations at a pandemic high.
Our pediatric infectious disease experts are seeing kids that have long-haul COVID symptoms and can have other issues secondary to COVID even weeks later.
And with schools set to begin Monday, districts are weighing their options. Students in Yonkers, one of New York's largest cities, will start the year remotely after 25% of the 800 rapid tests administered to staff and students over the holiday break came back positive.
This thing is spreading, especially to the little ones, and more kids are hospitalized.
Educators in Atlanta say public schools will be held virtually next week. The Ohio Children's Hospital Association encouraging districts to require masks. Health officials with this advice for parents.
I think it really does depend on the individual school district, the resources, what local transmission looks like. Parents should be prepared for the fact that there might be a delay, especially in places where cases are surging.
And some positive news out of the UK. A report there, as well as data here domestically, suggests Omicron is milder than Delta. Karina Mitchell, ABC News, New York.